we are celebrating Independence Day, isn't it? Happy Independence Day to all of you. Okay, all my dear students, my teachers, and sub staff, everybody. Happy Independence to all of you. Okay, actually, from whom we got independence? British, isn't it? Actually, British people came to our country, okay, for the purpose of trading. Okay, they want to do business. Only the purpose they came to our country. Okay, so slowly they have developed their business also, isn't it? Okay, for the purpose of business, that means spices. Okay, so our Kerala, Chennai, it's God's own country. So maximum we can get their spices. So purpose of that only they came to our India. So slowly they have came to our entire country. Our parents are putting their efforts. This is very, very important, na? So first we have to listen carefully and get good name to your parents also. Okay, Nana? One thing I will tell here. Okay, in Telugu, రూపాయి కన్నా రూపం గొప్పది, వేల కన్నా వినయం గొప్పది, లక్షల కన్నా లక్షణం గొప్పది, కోట్ల కన్నా కొనలేని మీ విద్యార్థి జీవితం గొప్పది. Okay, Nana? All of you, please be in that way. Try to learn the moral values and try to implement. Okay, Nana? So once again, happy Independence Day to all of you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.